everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about how to release the R blocked invoices in SAP. Okay, so what do you mean by R block? First of all, R block is it is automatically blocks whenever there is a exception or there is a mismatch in the purchase order while posting the invoice in the SAP with the T code MIRO. So let us now do this with practically. So before posting an invoice in MIRO, I would like to create one purchase order by using a T code ME21N. So I am using a vendor here and I'm using a company code, purchasing organization, purchasing group, and here the material number. And yeah, we have to enter some mandatory fields. So purchase like quantity I will enter 10 and all it is entered. So here even I will enter storage location. So I will check this before we create a purchase order, so there is no errors. So click on the save. So your order number ending with 424 is created successful. So with this order I'm going to process an invoice receipt without posting a purchase order. I'm going to post the MIRO. So now as per the process, if there is no GR available in the system will still allow to post the invoice receipt, but whatever the invoices we are going to post, those invoices will get posted with a block status. That block is called as R block. Okay, so now we will see whenever you do not have the GR posted in the particular purchase order, here it will not show anything. But if there is a GR posted already, then here whatever the quantity of GR posted, it will be able to see here. We can able to see here. But right now there is no GR posted in this particular PO. So but still we can post the IR. But in some companies it will be a hard stop error. It will not be allowed to post any invoice receipt without the goods receipt. But sometimes some companies it will still allow to post the invoice receipt without the GR also. But whatever the invoice will get posted without the GR, that will get posted with the block status. That block is called as R block. So let me enter one quantity of invoice here, one quantity, and in the amount I will enter 1500 because as per this purchase order the price of this uh, particular purchase order it is mentioned one price is 1500. And yeah, this is all the mandatory fields. Just enter these tax codes and all. And yeah, we also have to enter the total amount here. It is loading, just please wait. Yeah, here we need to enter the total amount 1500 and click on ignore the warning message whatever it is selected. And now you click on the tax tab and click on the calculate tax. If there is any tax available, yeah, system will calculate the tax automatically. Since here I have entered V0 which is 0% tax, so here the 0 amount is coming. So go back to the basic data tab, and if you see here there is one warning message is popping up, so which is nothing but, so the system is warning us, so you are posting the invoice without the goods receipt. Let's wait for that to show the screen. It will be little slow, just please wait for that. So till the time, just wanted to ask you, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Yeah, see here we can see quantity delivered is 0. So because there is no goods receipt posted in this particular purchase order, that's why we are getting this message. Yeah, some companies we can still post this invoice. That document will go under block status. So click on simulate, or you can click on the save button or post button. So after that the document will get posted, and but that document will go on block. Just click on save. have patience. Sometimes this system will be very slow. Okay. See now the successfully the document number ending with 9502 is created, but there is a bracket you can see blocked for the payment. So whenever there is no GR in the purchase order and you are posting an invoice against that particular purchase order, yeah, it will be blocked. So where we can see this block, yeah, if you go to this display this document here under the payment tab, yeah, here we can see payment block is there here as a R block. R block is nothing but invoice verification block. So as part of three-way match, the system is matching the data, and there is no, since the system has not found the goods receipt for this particular purchase order, so the system has blocked this invoice. Okay, so what happens when there is a block in this particular invoice? Yeah, whenever you are executing the payment run, this document will not get paid. So how do we pay this invoice then? So yeah, as per the process, yeah, as per our process, you have to post the GR in order to make the payment. Yeah, after posting the GR, you can release that particular document by going to the transaction code MRBR. Okay, so before coming to this, yeah, you have to make sure the goods receipt is posted in the system. If the goods receipt is not posted, then this is not recommended to perform this particular task. Yeah, even there is no goods receipt, still you can release this, but it is not recommended. Always make sure the goods receipt is posted, and then you come to this T code and release the document. So let us now go ahead and post the goods receipt for this PO. Go to MIGO and enter the purchase order number. So my purchase order number is this, and enter the PO number and enter this, select this item OK, and go to quantity. So there is a purchase order has 10 quantity, so here it is 10 quantity is updated. Now check this, if any errors is there it will show here. If no errors, then you can post. So once the document is posted or the goods receipt is posted, now you go back to your T code MRBR. Yeah, after posting the goods receipt, yeah, this still the document whatever we posted, that document is still in the block status only. But in order to release this block, you have to perform, or you have to execute this particular tick. Yeah, along with this document, the system will also block the FI document. So this is my document, and if you click on follow on documents, it will take you to FI document. So even if you see here, this double click on this line, see payment block is updated as R here. R means nothing but uh, it's a invoice verification block. So in order to release this at both the level as well as FI, we have to execute this T code, which is MRBR. So how to execute this T code? Yeah, we have to enter the company code, we have to enter the invoice document which is blocked, we have to enter the fiscal year, and yeah, if you want to enter, you can enter the vendor also. So let me make sure this is my document. Yes, it is 9502 is my document. So click on the execute button and select this line and click on this release invoice. Now it will turn into green color. Then click on save. So once you click on save, you have to get this message, one invoice released. Okay, and then go back, and yeah, again if you are trying to execute this, it won't execute because now this document is no more blocked, right? So it is already released. Now how to check whether it is released or not? Yeah, just go back to this and again go to the display mode, or yeah, even you can go to T code MIR4 and enter the document and go to payments tab, and here you can see payment block is free for payment. Okay, even if you go to FI document, click on follow on documents and double click on this invoice line item, and see payment block is released. And now when you execute the payment run, the system can make the payment for this particular document also. So this is how we can release the blocks or R blocks in SAP by using MRBR. Okay, for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.